In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk to My AI on Snapchat. So go ahead and open up Snapchat on your phone. Go to your chats and you should see My AI. All you have to do is tap into My AI and start having a conversation. So as you can see here, the type of conversations that you can have. The first question that I asked is, can I remove you from my chat screen? Which is the question that everyone's asking at the minute, but it seems like the only way to remove My AI is if you're a Snapchat Plus user. The My AI explains that. I also asked the question of when will it be available for non-Snapchat Plus users. It didn't give me a great answer, as you can see here. We're still in the dark as to when we can remove that, other than being a Snapchat Plus user. And then a question that again should be on people's minds is, what exactly is the purpose of My AI? As you can see, it gives a very brief, not very detailed description of what the purpose is of this My AI, which to me is a bit weird, but that's just my opinion. Another question I asked is, are you reading my messages? And apparently, according to My AI, it's not reading my other chats. I then asked, are you saving any information from my other chats? Again, it came back with the information that no, it's not. So you get the point, but I guess what you can use My AI for, which I do find a benefit in, is how to turn on and off different features. So I did ask it, how do I turn off my location? And it was able to give me step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Other than that, that's basically all there is to this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.